things we've talked about in relation to hair care, like avoiding overly harsh products, not using too much product, and the health implications of that apply just as well to domestic cleaning. So things like bleach and ammonia products, they have volatile organic compounds that are not good for our health at all. You should not be exposed to them too much, especially if you're pregnant or asthmatic. So again, less can be more when it comes to some of these cleaning products. These things like kills 99% of bacteria. One, that's completely false. It's not true. If it was true, it would be a very bad thing, because much of the bacteria is healthy. Bacteria is different to viruses. You're getting more and more things like probiotic cleaners that actually encourage the good bacteria, and they're being included in household products, not just personal products. So I find that using things like bicarbonate of soda and white wine vinegar and lemon juice are not just way cheaper, but they're way kinder to the environment, way kinder to the planet, and there's much fewer potential health risks with these kinds of products. So again, less can be more, and definitely less toxic products when you're cleaning your home.